Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Today I'll be making chicken and broccoli Alfredo. Okay, so first I'm just cutting the chicken into small pieces. By the way, y'all, don't mind my voice. I got a little cold, but we're gonna get this video out. Okay, so now it's time to season the chicken. I'm gonna show you guys the seasonings that I'm using. Once that was done, I just put some water in the pan with some butter, and then I added the chicken in and let it cook. Okay, so now I'm just putting oil in the pot so I can start making the noodles. So right here, I'm just flipping the chicken over, making sure it cooks well. Now I'm going to be adding the noodles to the pot. Okay, so here I realized the chicken was a little too big, so I'm just cutting it up into smaller pieces. Okay, so now I'm making the broccoli. I just added water and butter. So after I checked the chicken, now I'm just adding some seasoning into the broccoli. Now that the chicken is done, I'm just going to be putting the garlic toast in the oven. Now I'm just going to season my noodles. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, so now I'm just going to mix the noodles up, then I'm going to add the chicken in, and then I'm going to chop the broccoli up into smaller pieces, and then I'm going to add that in. Okay, so now I'm just going to mix it up, then I'm going to add the fettuccine sauce in. Okay, so I'm just mixing it up really well, making sure the sauce get all over. Okay, now that everything is done, I'm just going to be showing you my plate.